Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is GUDY'S, and today we are going to make a delicious snail stew. Okay, this is our snail. I have added my spices. There is no limit to spices anyway, and add my seasoning and the salt and add water to boil. Okay, here is our stew making. I add my oil, my vegetable oil. Okay, I add my salt. Add my sausages, and I allow it to cook for some time because I want it to fry a little bit. Okay, I add my shrimps and my cooked snail. I stir. Add my mixed blended potato, pepper, garlic, and onions, and I allow it to cook for some time. Add your spices. Okay, I add my smoked fish. My smoked fish is actually like this because it's been in the freezer. Okay, I allow it to boil for some time. I add my seasoning. Then I add my veggies. Wow, our delicious stew is ready to eat. In fact, don't miss cooking this stew because it's super delicious and very quick. I would love to see your comment at the comment section when you try this delicious snail stew, and please do not forget to subscribe and like, and then click the bell button for notification updates. Thank you for watching. I love you all.